So the GWDG is a joint institution of the Max Planck Society and the Georg August University of Göttingen. It serves two purposes. On the one hand, it is basically the typical university data center, and then on the other side, we offer AI services, we offer high-performance computing services.
Challenges that we faced was that we wanted, of course, to have a solution that is efficient and helps us lowering our carbon footprint. We needed a solution that is a good fit with the cooling infrastructure we already had at our data center.
CoolIT Systems is a global leader in liquid cooling technology for the world's most demanding computing environments. We do everything from cold plates to manifolds to CDUs and everything in between. Well, with new generation processors just getting hotter and hotter and demanding more efficient thermal solutions, liquid cooling is actually a mandatory thing these days. Air cooling just simply can't keep up. Stäubli's 100% dry break quick disconnect technology makes liquid cooling safe and reliable. Their connectors play a key role in enabling the high-density modular architectures that GWDG relies on and that next-generation AI workloads, such as those powered by the NVIDIA GB200, require.
The adoption of direct liquid cooling in our system has allowed us to increase the density of our compute racks by a factor of 3 to 4, and additionally the PUE of our systems be decreased dramatically down to 1.07. The Stäubli quick disconnects allow us to maintain our system very easily, especially integration of new servers can be done in normal operation, and also repair work does not require any downtimes.
So at CoolIT, we're building the next generation of performance cooling solutions for everything from HPC systems like GWDG to high-density AI platforms such as the GB200 and GB300. Some of the qualities we value most in Stäubli's product are their reliability, dripless performance, and low pressure drop, even under demanding thermal loads. Connectors come in multiple form factors like blind mate, manual mate, small and large, which gives us the flexibility to design for different rack layouts and service models. We also appreciate the ease of serviceability that they enable. Technicians can connect and disconnect without tools or downtime. And because Stäubli's products are backed by a strong global support network and a team deeply involved in next-generation industry specifications, we know the technology will evolve with our customers' needs.
I would say they don't need to worry. With the Stäubli connectors, the maintenance of the servers is just as simple as with air-cooled servers, because they can be disconnected and reconnected in a moment. With the CoolIT solution being so modular and open, you will be able to support all kinds of hardware in the future, just like you would be able with an air-cooled solution.